So today I'm going to show you how to change the clock on a Kia Rio. So to change the clock, I'm just going to turn the power on. So when you have your radio on, just go to Setup Clock, go over to Clock, push in the button on the right. You're going to go to Clock Settings, push in that button again, and then you're just going to use that knob to increase or decrease by whatever amount of time you need. You hit Enter, so now it's 11. I don't really need to change the minutes, but if I did, I would just rotate that knob and then just hit Enter. And then as you can see, it's now 11:35 instead of 12:35. So that's how you change your clock. And then to return, you just go up to return, push in the button. And if you just let this go for a few seconds, it'll go back to your radio. And now you're back to the radio. Thank you for watching. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if you have any other ideas. Leave them in the comments. And thank you and have a great day.